Mixsoon Bean Essence is a popular Korean skincare product on the market today. It is a great alternative to the popular COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, as it provides similar benefits without the use of snail mucin. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of this essence, how to use it properly, and what to do and not to do when using this product. So what are the key ingredients in the Mixsoon Bean Essence? This essence is packed with 100% fermented bean extract, a single potent ingredient that brings a multitude of benefits to your skin. Fermented bean extract is known for its nourishing properties and is rich in antioxidants, proteins, and essential nutrients that help maintain skin vitality and health. Some of the benefits of fermented bean extract include 1. Enhanced skin nourishment. The extract provides deep nourishment, making it perfect for revitalizing tired and dull skin. 2. It reduces oil production. The extract helps to regulate oil flow and refine pores. Next, it offers antioxidant protection. The extract is packed with antioxidants, helping to protect the skin from environmental stresses and pollution. It offers improved skin texture. Bean extract can smooth out texture, giving you a softer and more even complexion. And finally, increase skin elasticity. The proteins and nutrients in the extract help enhance elasticity, making your skin feel firmer and more supple. The other ingredients in the essence is fermented barley, fermented pomegranate, and fermented Korean pear. Here's how to use the Mixsoon Bean Essence. The essence can be used two different ways. The first method is as a gentle exfoliant. The second method is as a daily essence. To use it as a gentle exfoliant 2 to 3 times per week, prep your face with warm water. Gently massage your skin in circular motions. Then after a minute or so, rinse off the essence and finish with the remaining of your routine. To use as a daily essence, start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Then take a small amount of the essence onto your fingertips and gently pat it onto your skin. Follow with your water-based serums, followed by oil-based serums, your moisturizer, and during the day, don't forget your sunscreen. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the Mixsoon Bean Essence. Do a patch test before using it on your face to make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Do use it with other serums and moisturizers. This essence alone is not enough. And finally, don't use too much product at once. A little goes a long way with this essence, so start with a small amount and add more if needed. The Mixsoon Bean Extract is an excellent skincare product that offers numerous benefits to the skin. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more hydrated, youthful, and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about ingredients that hydrate the skin, then check out these 2 videos here next.